Hey guys, this is your girl, Shanny P, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am trying the Little Caesars Crazy Puffs. But before I get into this video and this bite, you guys have to definitely like, comment, share, and subscribe, okay? Now, I haven't done Little Caesars in forever, so we're going to definitely see how this goes. Usually, I'm a Papa John's, Pizza Hut, Domino's type of person with pizza. But let's get into this bite. Let's look. And I think that is the cheese here. Okay. And I also have the cheese puffs, just regular cheese. Okay, I love cheese, but let's see how this goes, y'all. I'm like so freaking, I don't know, get into this bite. Ooh, that bite right there. Let's see. Mmm. Y'all. Let me let it marinate for a second. Okay, so it's definitely cheesy for me. I am obsessed with cheese. So look at that, y'all. Pull game. Ooh. Ooh. I love it. Yeah. It's good. Now, I do want to try the pepperoni. Again, I'm going to show y'all. And 4. And both of them were like $8.70 with that. So it's not bad. And I'm cheap. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm cheap. I am cheaper than cheaper, okay? Look at this. Get into it. Now look at that. Ooh-wee, wee. Okay, that's fine. It's hot. It's hot. When I say good, Little Caesars about to get all my little coins, honey. Here. Yeah. So good. Now next, I think I'm gonna try I think Pizza Hut has the what is it? The little sticks or whatever, pepperoni, meat flavor. I don't know, but I think I'm gonna do that next and try it. I'm not gonna say I'm picky, but I just need for it to be good, good. Oh, Good, 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 good. Now, I have seen some other reviews on this, and they were saying, hey, it's not cheesing like how it's supposed to be cheesing, or whatever the case might be. But where I get mine from, definitely, the cheese was cheesing, baby. The cheese was cheesing, okay? But I ain't gonna hold y'all. I do have a little napkin. Let me wipe my little mouth real quick. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I definitely enjoyed that. That was bomb. Like, no lie. You guys, happy Thursday. Happy Thursday, happy Thursday, happy Thursday. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And, you know, drop comments below of what you guys are wanting me to eat. And we can just go from there. Y'all have a great day. And we'll see you next time. All right? All right.